Hi, Tom Whitman here from the HVAC Business Academy. Today, we're going to talk about the Ambassador Program, where you can literally go to your market and schedule appointments for replacement sales, service, and maintenance 12 months out of the year. Yes, you can. Here's how. In any community in the United States, there's always service clubs or homeowners associations or retirement community centers where homeowners go to look for and listen to service companies that are there to give them valuable information. You happen to be one of them. But there's a twist. There's a method of doing so I'm presenting that yields better results. This is how. When you show up, I suggest you download this survey that's here. It has a list of 10 to 12 things most homeowners find wrong with their home when replacing their heating and air conditioning system. It has things like people with allergy symptoms, excessive dust, excessive noise, the home becoming muggy before the thermostat turns on. Different things like that that the customer feels in their home and usually wants corrected. So when you start the presentation, it begins something like this. Thanks for inviting me here today. It's a pleasure. I'm Tom with ABC Heating and Air Conditioning. To make sure that we're talking about things that are important to you, I've handed out a survey. I'd like for everybody to take a couple of minutes just to see if they have anything in common with this list and check them off. Then we'll make a list on the board of the top 3 or 4 issues this group may have with their homes, and then I'll have a discussion with you and let you know 2 or 3 things that you can do to correct it and what we normally do to correct those things as a professional heating and air conditioning contractor. Let me step out of role for a moment. What just happened? The entire conversation shifted from you telling them about you to you speaking from a position of authority about the things they want taken care of. How about that? And as you go through this process and speaking, you would end that presentation like this. Well, thanks for having me here today. It's been a lot of fun meeting everybody. I hope the information was valuable, and I want to make you an offer. It'd be my pleasure to schedule about 45 minutes or an hour to stop by your place and take a look at the things that you want corrected so I can let you know exactly what it's going to take to give you what you want. I have an appointment book up here. Please feel free to come up, take a card, and let's set a time for me to come out and help you out. Have a good afternoon. It's as simple as that, folks. And guess what? The people that truly want to have those things corrected in their home, they're going to set a lead. You set a lead, you're going to get sales. I tell you, the first time I presented this way, we had about 45 homeowners at a retirement center where retiree homeowners would go to do different things. They're always looking for somebody to present. We presented in that fashion. We talked about their wants and what they wanted to have solved. I walked away with, gosh, I think it was 30 leads. Out of the 30, 15 replacement sales. In the month we needed the work. So do this. Practice. I suggest that you get down and clearly are able to explain 2 or 3 things that the homeowner can do to address each thing on that list, and 2 or 3 things that you, as a professional heating and air conditioning contractor, would do to correct those issues. Have a conversation with this group, set those appointments, make those sales. With that, you have the ability to go to your market, generate leads, and make things happen.